Here, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to send messages on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to send messages on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the inbox icon and you can see there are people appearing here which follows you and those whom you are following. If you want to send any message from one of them, you have to select any person and her or his inbox will appear. You can write any text and click on send. Your message will be sent to other person. If that person is not in your list, then you have to click on this bar and select search that person and click on that like this and send message. That was the whole procedure, that how to send messages on TikTok. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.